guys, this is what my dorm room looks like at the moment. There is not a lot going on, just a bed and a small desk which is already full of my textbooks. So first off, to give the room a more open feel, I'm moving my bed against the back wall. Moving the bed gives us all this space to furnish. And I went ahead and changed my sheets and made my bed. Now first things first, I need storage. So I'm installing this open coat rack with shelves to act as my closet. It was super easy and quick to put together, and then I just arranged all my clothes in it. For this DIY vanity table, I am using an old A2 size drawing board and covering it up in marble contact paper. Now I'm just flipping over this tabletop and screwing on some pre-made legs. Just flip it over and your vanity table is complete. I added a plastic stool and a pillow to act as my chair. I picked up this mirror to go above my vanity, but I didn't really like the frame it came with, so I covered it up with the leftover marble contact paper. To organize my makeup, I'm using these acrylic organizers. I'm using the tray to organize my brushes, lotions, and perfumes. And this one for my lipsticks, mascaras, and eyeliners. And lastly, I put in this 3D letter K for my name and finished off with a magnifying mirror. For this DIY, I started with a branch the width of my bed, some fake flowers, and a leaf garland. I cut up the garland into equal pieces and arranged them lengthwise. Now I'm just taking the flowers and arranging them onto the vines and gluing them into place. Then I tied some thin white thread onto the end of the branches to hang it up. For this DIY, I used a piece of foam board. They are way cheaper than an actual pin board of the same size. I installed it with some command hooks placed on the four corners of the board, like so, to act as handles, and then slid the board through it. I left the board plain white, but you can cover it up with any fabric you like and it would be custom made just for you. As a finishing touch, I'm adding this plastic stool next to the bed as a side table, but this acid green color is not very aesthetically pleasing. So I covered it up with a tablecloth, and this is how it looks. And I styled it with my wireless charger, a tissue box, and a tiny fake plant. And finally, I added some artwork high up on the walls to dry the eye upwards. And here is the final before and the after.
that was it for today's video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up button, and if you have any questions, comments or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below. I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.